Hey, hello, good family. Hope you all are doing good. All of us also doing good over here. Oh my God, look at them. Wait, Shakira is that side actually. Hi, hey, both of you go that side. God, what they have done over here. Look at them. No. Be over here, all of you. Stop it. Oh, Shakira, stop. Stop being so silly. Nobody will come. No one will come. Oof. Let's go. Oh my gosh, these people are seriously, they are doing too much. Nobody will come. No. I'm just bringing the food. Let's go. Over here. It. Okay. Eat, Ryan. Eat, honey. Robert, let him eat. Let Ryan eat. Let Ryan. What happened, Ryan? Eat, honey. It's okay. Look at Ryan's reaction. He's trying to eat, I guess. But because of Rock's fear. Oh, Ryan is eating. Ryan is eating food. Let him eat, then you can eat, honey. It's okay, wait a moment. Rock, just a moment, honey, Okay, I'll give some belly rubbing better. Let him eat for a while. Ryan is not feeling good, right? He's sick. He's not eating last few days. And right now he started eating, means that you should let him eat, right? Let him eat for a while, then you will eat, okay? Don't worry, I'll let you eat. Okay, you can eat, honey, you can eat. Just let Ryan eat for a while. Look at Ryan, he's eating so nicely, and I'm so happy for that. I'm so happy for Ryan. Okay. At morning also today, Ryan ate. Oh my God, look at Ryan's reaction. Ryan is not allowing Rock to eat. This is so pathetic. Ryan has been always being so rebellious and very protective about himself. Also, he's very much strong to protect himself. He knows how to survive. Robert, Rock, this side, come on this side. Okay. Hey Ryan, let him eat. Oh, poor Rock. Okay, let's bring Peter. Peter's there inside. He has to eat also. Where's Peter? Oh my God. Peter, come on. Peter. This is the Peter's nest actually. I made with this Amazon box. One of our family members, Purva Trivedi, actually sent some food few days back. So with that only I just made it. Peter! He's not moving there. Something's wrong. Peter's not moving. Rock has come over here. Okay, let me check it out. Peter! Oh my God, I think he's dead. Poor man. Peter's dead. He's dead inside. Oh my God. He's no more. I didn't expect that. Since yesterday actually, the food was not digesting properly. And this place is getting worse day by day. Look at that. It's no more.
His health was very bad last few days. Since when I noticed this one, since then only I was noticing that he was not feeling good, not eating properly, even not having water also. He's a very small boy too. He's very small, but look at him. He was walking, he was flying, he was running, he was playing with all of us. And today he is no more. Look, everywhere he's having this kind of stuff like poop and all. This is that stuff for. It's getting actually rotten. It's the skin over here. It is getting poisonous. I couldn't even think of that. This is why actually I don't want to deal with animals, because either today or tomorrow I have to lose them. Please keep Peter in your prayers so that he be in a good place, he be in heaven. Poor Peter, poor bird. I can't continue the video now. I'm sorry, I'm feeling so dizzy. I'm not feeling good.